Magandang hapon, Pilipinas at buong mundo. Naitay Kapuso, pahiram po ng 20 minutes ng inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome to Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Sa lahat ng kasama ho natin sa Facebook at YouTube, sa lahat ng nakikinig po sa DZWB, welcome to the program. I'm excited because we have a very special guest. Pag naririnig niyo po ang kanyang pangalan, ilang salita po ang pumapasok sa ating isipan. Ganda, matalino, walang inaatrasan. And she's a born raconteur, ika nga nila. Naitay Kapuso, please welcome Maria Isabel Lopez.
So good to have you.
Thank you. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Kumusta?
Very good. Yeah.
I know, I'm doing good.
Thank you.
Ang sarap lang pakinggan. Alam niyo po, off-cam, sinabi sa akin ni Isabel, I'm not 62, I'm 67. How do you maintain? Because it's not just about what we see from the outside. Meron ding kinalaman ang loob eh.
You know, diet and exercise, it's a given, Kuya Boy. Pero ang mahalaga kasi, when you're especially in the later years of your life, you become more spiritual, you do meditation, you do yoga. When you're younger, of course, you party, you go out, but then when you're older, the activities are different.
And you do all this? You do yoga, meditation.
I do my art. Art is a very spiritual journey.
At
You have one of my works. I'm so honored.
I'm a proud owner of one of the paintings of Maria Isabel Lopez. And thank you. That is an honor. Ngayong hapon po ang pag-uusapan ho natin dahil pagkakasyahin po natin sa 20 minutes ang aming pag-uusap because you can talk to Isabel for 9 days straight. Ay ang mga batas sa buhay. Mga batas na may kinalaman po sa karera, sa buhay, sa pag-ibig. Umpisahan natin sa batas sa pagiging kabogera. In a good way. Okay? Ano ba ang aming iisipin pag gusto mong maging kabogera? Ano ang batas?
Ang number one rule dyan is prepare for it.
You do prepare for it?
Yes. Like when I was at the Cannes Film Festival
2016.
red carpet in 2016, naka-juice cleanse ako for 2 weeks. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, para you look stunning. Yeah. And then the second rule, it's because I believe na the spirit has a lot to do with your aura. Everyone's beautiful, no? Pag nasa Cannes Film Festival ka, lahat yan, mga sikat, magaganda, they're all dressed to kill. But what makes the difference is you have to make sure your aura shines. So batas number 2 is focus on your spiritual self, not just the physical, not just the makeup, not just the clothes, you know.
Okay.
Yeah,
Wow.
it's the aura. And number 3 rule ko is, make sure your smile is real. Hindi yung smile na talagang nakasmile nga yung lips mo, tapos yung mata mo hindi naman nakangiti. It has to be a total smile.
Tingnan natin tong litratong ito. Do we have this there? Tingnan mo naman.
Ini-scrutinize talaga.
The cast, di ba? And the creative staff of Marosa. Naalala ko ito.
Yeah.
Pero tingnan mo naman si Isabel. Oh. Pati yung pose, did you practice it? Did you know how to pose with a gown?
No, I'm a model. Alam mo naman,
Correct.
sexy model ako nung araw.
Correct.
Hindi naman ako high fashion model.
No,
Yeah.
but kakaiba din.
Yeah.
Kakaiba
Pero
din.
if you notice, merong gap, no? That's rule number 4. Don't let anybody step on your train.
Ang ganda. May gap dito, di ba?
Yes.
Na para bagang this is my space.
Yes. Kind of offensive to the rest of the cast. I'm sorry about that.
That's
Pero
the business.
that's the way it is.
Iwanan natin ang pagiging kabogera. Batas naman pagdating sa pagiging matapang. Talk about it.
Batas na yon. Batas na yon for me, maging matapang. Kasi when you're young, parang you don't have that much voice. I grew up in a family na, you know, separated ng parents. Tapos every time that you need to something for your school, you need to buy something, laging naka-budget yan. You have to fight for it.
Pero may mga laban ka bang pinagdaanan na natalo ka, na umiyak ka, na umatras ka, tumakbo ka, palayo?
Kuya Boy, I will not be a success kung hindi ako naging failure. Yeah. Isabel Lopez is a product of so many failures in her life. That's why naging ganito.
The biggest failure that you went through?
Well, too many failures to mention.
Ang dami, no?
Yes.
Oo.
Yeah.
Puntahan natin ang mga batas pagdating naman sa mga lalaki.
Marami-raming batas yan. Baka kulang ang 20 minutes natin.
Okay. Punta lamang tayo sa ilan sa mga batas pagdating sa men.
Okay. Number 1 rule is, unstable na nga ang artista, huwag ka nang kumuha ng isa pang unstable.
Okay, so ang sinasabi mo, hindi ka kukuha ng partner, hindi ka magpapaligan ng kapwa-artista.
Yes.
You never had a boyfriend, artista?
No.
Okay.
No.
So yun, deliberate pala yun.
Oo.
Sadya yun.
Yes. Don't get your equal.
Who should you get?
Get somebody who's more experienced, who's more empowered, who's more intelligent.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Always somebody bigger and better than you. I'm a dreamer, Kuya Boy.
Ang mga boyfriends mo ay labas ng negosyong ito.
Para maiba ang perspective.
That's true.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tapos isa
Can
pa,
you name some
isa pa sa
boyfriends?
mga isa pa yan sa
Sasabihin
mga
ko yung name
rule
some
na yan,
boyfriends.
no?
Okay.
Pa-follow up natin sa rule na yan. Since you're not gonna get somebody you're equal, ganun din sa pera. Kung halimbawa, ang net worth ko is say 1 million, wag ka nang kumuha ng 1 million din ng net worth.
Dapat mas mataas.
Yes, dapat mas
Okay.
mataas.
Alright.
Yeah.
And pag nililigawan ka noon, do you actually talk about money?
No, you don't talk about money.
You have a way of knowing
Yeah.
kung magkano
It's a
ang
deal
net worth.
breaker kasi if you talk about money.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Basta I know I'm a hardworking girl and I make my own money. I'm very independent. Ganon.
At mapapansin mo naman kung mas may kaya siya o hindi sa'yo.
Yeah, although
Don't
maraming fake di ba? Maraming may fake news.
Okay, so that's
Yeah.
rule number 1. Medyo may dagdag.
Rule number 3.
Do you have the freedom today to name some of those boyfriends? Wala pa.
Hindi ko siya pwedeng banggitin kasi
Oo nga eh.
medyo buhay pa sila.
Okay.
Maraming may iskandalo.
Oo. At saka hindi
Hintayin
rin...
natin matigok sila. Pag natigok sila, baka pwede nang banggitin.
Okay. At saka hindi rin masyadong polite. I just thought about it. Okay.
Yeah.
Rule number 2.
Rule number 3 na tayo.
3 na, idinagdag mo yung
Rule number 3.
net
yeah.
worth. Okay.
I don't say yes on the first date.
You don't.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pang ilan? Meron kang bilang?
And follow up to that, ayoko nung last minute dates. Yung parang hindi ka pinaghandaan, kailangan paghandaan ka.
Right.
Hindi yung last minute parang booty call na last minute pag Friday night. If you wanna date me on a Friday night, at least call me mga Monday pa lang.
Okay. Kung hindi ka nag-yes sa first date, do you kiss on a first date?
No, I don't kiss on
You
a first date. Alam mo, kahit ako sexy star, Kuya Boy, masyado akong kuripot ko.
Pero alam mo, but can I say this? I believe you. I really believe you.
Yeah.
I have so much respect for you.
Kasi nakikita na nga sa screen eh. Remember, I'm the first Filipina na nag-frontal nudity. Tapos sa real life, ipapangalandakan mo pa yung sarili mo. So, hindi pwedeng ganon. Yeah.
Ano-ano ang mga iba't ibang klaseng lalaki na nakasalubong mo sa iyong buhay?
Merong mga lalaki na they want to level up with you. Pero makikita mo hindi naman authentic.
May gwapo pero hindi. Yung mga ganon.
Merong gwapo, super gwapo na hunk. Pero there's nothing in the head naman.
Okay.
Meron naman mga intellectual. Ako, to me, the brain is such a sexy thing for me. So, excited ako to meet men na matalino. Yeah. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, you learn so much from them.
Oo.
Yeah.
To you, that's the thing, di ba?
Yeah. Meron din naman mga lalaki na gigolo na talagang they're after you for the money. Pero sabi ko nga sa'yo, I work hard for the money, kaya it's very
Totoo.
hard for me na magbitaw just like that.
Saang category si Jonathan? What kind of a man is your husband?
Oh, he's very special. He's a human rights lawyer. He gave me a lot of comfort and I gave him a lot of affection.
Wow. And there you go. I mean, if you're talking about conversations,
Yeah.
he must be a man
Yeah, he is. And then
who
he
can
just...
engage you in conversations. Paano kayo
He has such a big heart. O para akong Gen Z o Gen X, we met online.
Ay, ang ganda. Ang
Yes.
ganda. How was the interaction? How was the flirtation?
Oh,
Ika nga.
I had somebody in the US who was like editing and accepting all the inquiries. So I had my sister, si Maria Estela Lopez. So siya yung sumasagot sa mga inquiries. Tapos isa yan sa mga choices niya. Of course, meron pa rin mga iba, mga contenders, parang beauty pageant, may elimination.
Okay.
Yeah. Until finally we met. Yeah. I wasn't able to meet him in the States, so what he did, he came to the Philippines to meet.
May spark kaagad.
Sabi ko sa kanya, we want to build this on a foundation of friendship. So when he first came here, I told him na let's not expect anything, let's just have fun.
And he said what?
Well,
This is a human rights lawyer, di ba?
yes. Well, the first thing when we saw each other, when he opened the room of his hotel room, he handed me lavender flowers from his lavender garden.
Oh.
Yes, he's really a sweet guy.
He is.
Yes.
At kami masaya because you are happy.
Oh, thank you.
You are happy, and we
Not
can
just
see it.
happy, but it's a very peaceful life with him.
Katulad na lamang ngayon because we're about to do fast talk. We have 2 minutes to do this.
Wow.
And Isabel, our time begins now. Swimwear, lingerie.
Lingerie,
Long gown, duster.
long gown,
Sexy, brainy.
brain,
Kabugera, isnabera.
kabogera,
Init, lamig.
init,
Harap, likod.
harap,
Halik sa pisngi, halik sa labi.
halik sa labi,
Pinoy, foreigner.
foreigner,
Long hair, short hair.
long hair,
Artistang nakatampuhan mo.
no comment,
Artistang nakatarayan mo.
no comment,
Artistang muntik mong maging boyfriend.
no
Muntik lang.
comment.
Paboritong direktor na nakatrabaho.
Celso Ad Castillo,
Direktor na nakaaway.
Celso Ad Castillo,
Guilty or not guilty, natatakot tumanda.
guilty,
Guilty or not guilty, nireklamo ang leading man.
no comment,
Guilty or not guilty, niligawan ng politiko.
yes,
Guilty or not guilty, nagka-boyfriend ng mas bata.
not guilty,
Guilty or not guilty, nagtampo sa binibining Pilipinas.
guilty,
Guilty or not guilty, pinangarap mag-cover sa Playboy.
not guilty,
One word, describe yourself as a mother,
feisty,
as a wife,
feisty,
as an actress,
sensitive,
as a woman.
hot,
Lights on or lights off?
lights on,
Happiness or chocolates?
happiness,
Best time for happiness.
nighttime,
Gagawing pelikula ang buhay mo. Give it a title.
The Scandalous Life of Maria Isabel Lopez.
The Scandalous Life of Maria Isabel Lopez. Kung halimbawa gagawin ang pelikulang ito, sino ang pipiliin mo to portray the role of Maria Isabel Lopez? That's my first question. At mga batas na may kinalaman sa growing old, ganda, beauty pageants, lahat ito ay tatalakayin po namin sa pagbabalik ng Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. We're back on the show. Kasama natin si Maria Isabel Lopez. Batas pagdating sa ganda. Isabel.
Hindi yung puro physical, hindi yung puro moisturizer or ano. I would believe it's the breathing and the meditation.
May panahon ba, Isabel, nung iyong, when you're doing Isla with Celso Ad Castillo, na ang tingin, na-bother ka ba doon sa, ang tingin sa iyo ng maraming tao ay katawan lamang? Even if you were very bright, even if you were feisty, did you get bothered?
It doesn't bother
It
me,
doesn't.
Kuya Boy.
You're not the type to feel this feeling, but I will ask you, may regrets ka? As an
Regrets?
actor, ha? As an actor, of the films that you did in the past.
Wala akong regrets, Kuya Boy. Yeah. Wala akong regrets. Ang only regret ko lang siguro is I focused more on the money I make, on the talent fee, and not on like who's the director, who's like gonna be the... So there was a time na I turned down a Lino Broca film dahil ang budget is so little. So yun siguro isa sa mga regrets ko.
That's right. Pag-usapan natin ang mga batas pagdating naman sa growing old. Kanina sa Fast Talk, you said that. Are you afraid of growing old?
I'm not afraid of growing
You're not.
old because I'm already old and I'm still fearless.
Naalala ko lamang, sabi mo nga sa akin, yes, you were a sexy model. Gerard Peters.
Yes.
How was that?
Ang Gerard
Why?
Peter model is basically entertainment for men. Mga babae doon, nagmo-model kami ng one-piece, two-piece, lingeries. And then ang majority ng audience namin, mga lalaki. And then from this Gerard Peter came the ranks of our actresses like Carmi Martin, Ana Marie Gutierrez, ako, Malu de la Fuente, and Emily Lauren, and many more. During the days in Gerard Peter, I had to give up my career as a fashion designer because modeling for that show, you earn 4 times your income.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
Yeah.
All right.
And you won't believe this, Kuya Boy, but it's one of the happiest stages of my life.
Bakit?
Because it's nice to be looked at. It's nice to wear nice clothes. Like, even if you're wearing lingerie, you look beautiful. And I was thankful that it was through that fashion modeling group na na-discover ako para maging Miss Philippines.
Paano ka na-discover?
Nanonood si Rudy Fuentes, the fashion designer.
Oh.
And then when he saw me there, he asked me na isasali niya ako sa Binibining Pilipinas. And then I told him, how can I win? I'm a sexy model. Sabi niya, we won't tell them. Pero hindi mo naman maitago. Kuya Boy, kasi yung mga board of judges namin, nanonood din ng Gerard Peter. Yung host namin, si Ariel Oreta, nanonood din ng Gerard Peter. So how can you hide it?
And there was a distinct walk. Merong walk.
Yeah.
Di ba? Tinuturoan
Yeah.
kayo nun?
Tinuturo sa amin yon, and tinuturo sa amin to project and look at the audience straight in the eye.
Talagang diretsa.
Yes. So kahit naka-see-through ka or naka-bikini ka or naka-lingerie ka, if you look at the guy straight in the eye, parang you're just communicating with them.
No.
Yeah.
Pag-usapan natin ang mga batas, since you mentioned Binibining Pilipinas, beauty pageants.
Yeah.
Ano ang mga batas na pwede mong ibahagi, i-share sa mga maraming nanonood na nangangarap maging beauty queens?
Well, iba na kasi yung law ngayon, no? Kumbaga, nung time namin, ako lang yung nakalusot na beauty queen na sexy model. Ngayon talaga nasa nasa rules and regulation na ngayon ng Binibining Pilipinas na hindi ka pwedeng mag-post sa mga men's magazine, kinakailangan decent yung mga magazine covers mo. If ever you did pictorials, photoshoots, wala kang mga nude photographs.
Agree ka ba dito sa batas na ito?
Well, hindi ako agree sa mga batas na yan. Kulang na lang ilagay doon na virgin yung kanilang candidate, di ba?
Were you asked if you were a virgin when you
Yes,
joined?
I was asked in one of the prejudging closed doors.
Nung panahon mo?
Yes.
At anong isinagot mo?
Sinugot ko yung totoo. No, alam nga naman sabihin kong virgin pa ako, no? Hindi naman mukhang virgin. Mukha ba itong virgin?
Oo. So, natanong ka because I read about it.
Yes.
Oo.
Uh-huh.
But the story is, you won.
Yes.
Binibining Pilipinas Universe.
Yeah, despite the fact na alam nila yung background ko na ganon. And remember, Kuya Boy, kahit sabi mo UP graduate ka, kahit sabi mo designer ka ng Rustans and SM, talagang hindi yun mako-cover up yung fact na, alam mo naman, Filipinos love gossip and intrigues. Yeah.
Okay. At saka, the stereotyping na pag ikay lumabas sa isang sexy fashion show, ang morals mo ay ganito.
Yes, you're gonna be judged
Correct.
pagdating sa morality
Hindi
mo.
ko sinasabi that we're creating rules for beauty contests. But what I'm saying is, ang pinanggagalingan nito is highly cultural. Na
Yeah.
pag ikay sumali sa ganito, ganito ka. You know? Ano itong love-hate relationship mo with Binibining Pilipinas? Let's go to that 50th anniversary.
Well, every year I come to the pageant coronation night, so they give us tickets. This particular year, 50th year ng Binibini, hindi ako nakatanggap ng tickets. Pero lahat ng friends ko, lahat ng beauty queen friends ko, may mga tickets na. So talagang feeling ko talagang dinidiin. So finally, there was a time na si Gloria Diaz found out na wala akong ticket. So she gave me her ticket. So naka-attend ako nung 50th year. Pero ang nangyari, nung dumating ako doon, kinausap ako ng security na bakit daw ako nandun. Tapos, saan daw yung ticket ko? Sabi ko, pinakita ko yung ticket ko. So, wala silang magawa. So, tinanong saan ko nakuha yun. Sabi ko, Gloria Diaz gave it to me. Ayun si Gloria, nagja-judge, kausapin nyo. Hindi naman nila makausap. Yun pala, si Stella Marquez made it a point na I won't be there sa 50th year.
Did you know why?
Because nga, ang tingin nila sa akin, rebel queen ako. Tapos ang tingin nila sa akin is, yung background ko, naging sexy star ako. Kumbaga, right after winning the pageant, ginawa ko yung mga movies sa experimental cinema of the Philippines na frontal nudity. Kumbaga, she didn't like that.
Okay, alright.
But ever since, ayaw niya na sa akin. Kasi nga yung scandals na nangyari sa Binibini after nalaman nila na Gerard Peter model ako. Ganon.
But, all's well?
Oh, okay naman. They gave me my book. I wasn't able to attend, but they sent it to my house, the book of many years of beauties. They gave me gifts like that. Siguro next year, I'll plan to attend.
Yeah.
And that's gonna be a different story. At least wala nang magpapaalis sa silya ko.
Kung gagawing pelikulang iyong buhay, may naiisip ka bang artista who can play Maria Isabel Lopez?
That will take a time of research. Because we need an actress who's not only beautiful, who's like not only morena, but somebody who has fire in her. Yeah, so that will take a lot of research.
Until now, you're still sticking to your truth. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat.
And all the best.
Thank
All
you.
the best. But thank you. Thank you for being you. Thank you for all that you are. And thank you for all the things that you've done for others, for your friends. And thank you for affecting other people's lives.
That's important.
Totoo yun.
Yes.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Naitay Kapuso, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagpapapasok sa amin, sa inyong mga tahanan at puso araw-araw. Be kind, make your nanay proud, and say thank you. Do one good thing a day, and make this world a better place. Goodbye for now, and God bless.